Welcome to the forum for BIT. Today we are going to talk about IT1403, Internet and World Wide Web. Today I have with me Mrs. Rupika Vijayasinghe. She is the course coordinator of IT1403. Rupika, what are the objectives of today's program?
Yes, so you all know that you will have to take the assignment 1 in next couple of weeks. So the objective of today's program is to provide some guidance to answer the questions in the assignment 1 and also to give some hints on using the resources, e-learning resources and the other resources effectively.
So this is a new concept that the students have to answer the questions online.
Yeah.
The first assignment will be online and they have to answer the questions online.
Yeah.
And most of the resources are online too.
Yeah.
So that is why we thought that we should give some guidance so they can easily fit into this new concept and easily answer the questions. I think it would be helpful if we can talk about the assignment 1, the topics covered in the assignment 1.
Yes, assignment 1, we know it's based on first half of the syllabus. So there are 4 chapters included in the assignment 1. First chapter is Introduction to the Internet. Second one, Getting Connected to the Internet. And the other 2 that are included in the assignment 1 are the third chapter, the World Wide Web, and the fourth chapter, Electronic Mail. So altogether there are 4 chapters. You have to go through all those 4 chapters in order to answer the assignment 1.
So the questions will be from all these 4 chapters.
Yes.
And to answer the questions, we have a lot of resources, and we already talked about some of the resources in previous programs.
Yes.
But I think it's better if we can go through the resources again.
Yes. So you know that about the learning management system. I think most of you have, by this time you have accessed the learning management system. So in the learning management system there are e-learning lessons, very attractive multimedia rich content, and again a student manual written in very simple language, so it's very easy to read and understand, and also there are quizzes and activities. So apart from this, we have identified several reference books also. So I think we have talked about these in an earlier lesson program. So all these resources will help you in doing the assignment 1.
So in the online learning management system, we have some practice questions, right?
Yes.
And that will prepare them to answer the assignment.
Assignment 1, yes.
And as well as the final exam.
Final exam also, yeah, those will help you in doing final exam also.
So I think the best way to give the guidance is through examples.
Yeah. So I have some questions. The first question I have taken, it says, what does TCP stand for? So 5 options are given. Option A is Transmission Control Protocol. Option B is Transport Control Protocol. C is Telnet Control Protocol. D, Temporary Computer Protocol. And the final one is E, last one is Transmission Connection Protocol. So out of this you need to select the correct answer.
Right. So how do you find the answer?
Yes. Let's look at the manual, page 10 of the student manual. So if you look at that, you can see under the chapter 1. Under chapter 1, under subtopic Internet Standards TCP/IP. So this is in the page 10 of the student manual. So it says clearly 2 pieces of the Internet standards are the Internet Protocol, which provides basic communication, and Transmission Control Protocol TCP, which provides additional facilities that applications need. So you can see, if you have read this manual, you can very easily answer that question.
So the answer is Transmission Control Protocol.
Answer is
so that answer is clearly there in the manual. So it is directly there. So if you have read this manual before, if you have gone through the other resources available, you can easily find that answer. So this is a very simple question. So this is the most the simplest question that you can expect. So let's go to another type of question. The second example that we have.
Yeah. So it's a bit difficult when compared to the earlier one. So it said select all correct statements, and 5 statements are given. So you need to select all the correct statements. So the A is, in ADSL, upload speed is lower than download speed. Option B is, in ADSL, download speed is lower than upload speed. C is, in ADSL, upload speed is same as download speed. And D is, you can use the telephone at the same time as you browse in ADSL. And E is, you cannot use the telephone at the same time as you browse in ADSL.
So I'm sure that there's a resource that students can use to answer this question, right?
Yeah, it's in LMS. So if you have visited LMS, you can see it's under XDSL technology. So here it says it is basically first talking about the DSL. You can see it's given there, digital subscriber line provides digital data transmission which is done over the wires used in the last mile of a local telephone network. And also it's there, it does not affect normal telephone service. So basically the answer is there. And again about the other options, it says, in asymmetric digital subscriber line ADSL, upload speed is lower than download speed.
Right. So the answer is, in ADSL, upload speed is lower than the download speed. And there's another answer.
Yeah.
That is, you can use the telephone at the same time as you browse the internet.
Yeah.
So this is another type of questions. Here we have 2 answers. This is little bit difficult than the first one. In this, to answer this question, you have the resource, and from that resource you have to find out what is ADSL. You have to know what is ADSL, and you have to know what is download speed, what is speed, and what is uploading, and you have to gather all this information from that learning resource, and then